this timeline so long. So I pour another drink and I'm doing it wrong. And I'm still kinda hurt, dealing with emotions and I'm trying to fucking learn. Going through trauma till my soul's gonna burn. Fucking words till the world's gonna turn. And it twists and it swerves and it curls and it burns and it curves like a curse.
And this shit feels like I'm cursed down here. I'll never find it. Down here I'll never find it. In this godforsaken pit, scream and save me. Scream and come save me. Mayday, come and save me. I'm not okay, cause I don't want to live my life direct in the sunset. Away from the pit, let me get away from the curse, never in reverse. My life is a curse. Take the racing stride, trying to escape the pit, cause I don't wanna live in it. I don't wanna live in the pit. Ain't been doing all kinds of shit to get away from this fucking curse of mine.